Talk about infinite wholes. We're talking about whole. So there are finite wholes and infinite wholes. WHOLES. Infinite aggregate must be admitted. So this will be the topic of the discussion. Infinite unities, if they are any or unknown to us, should be put into discussion. And then we discuss all infinite wholes aggregate terms. Then we explain the grounds in favor of this view. Next topic will be ratios and fractions. As we talk about ratios and fractions, first of all, we define ratios, and then we discuss ratios are one relation. Next we have got fractions, which are concerned with the relations of whole and part. We move ahead and we talk about fractions which depend or do not depend upon number or depend upon the magnitude of divisibility. Then we move to another part. After the number, we move on to the quantity. We have discussed numbers a lot, and now, having had completed number with our discussion, we come to the quantity, and we'll start the discussion of the meaning of the magnitude. When we talk about the quantity, of course we talk about the magnitude. So first of all, we explain what is the meaning of magnitude. Then we talk about the previous views on the relation of number and quantity. Next we talk about quantity that is not fundamental in mathematics. Next we talk about the meaning of magnitude and that of the quantity. There are three possible theories of equality to be examined. Next, equality is not identical numbers or of units. The next, equality is not an unanalyzable relation of quantity. Equality has the sameness of the magnitude. Next is every particular magnitude is simple. Next one, the principle of abstraction, and we move ahead, and this is where we start talking about the range of quantity. Earlier we were talking about the magnitude, now we talk about the range of quantity. This is where we talk about the divisibility that does not belong to all quantities. Next we talk about distance. Next we talk about differential coefficients. And our study moves ahead and we talk about a magnitude which is never divisible but may be magnitude of divisibility. Next, every magnitude is unanalyzable. And we move ahead to another topic which is called numbers as expressing magnitude of measurement. We'll talk about magnitudes and measurement.